So, what is manifestation? Manifestation is totally a buzzword at the moment, but did you know that most people don't fully understand how to actually manifest their desires and they just end up manifesting more of what they don't want? In this quick video, we're going to unpack what manifestation actually is, and I'll teach you how you can start using it today to start attracting your desires to you. Hey, what's up? My name is Jocelyn. I'm so excited that you're here. I'm a manifestation and mindset mentor. I teach you how to stop following the rules and start creating your own so you can really truly live your life by your own design. I'm coming to you today from my deck in Costa Rica. I live and breathe this material every single day, and I just love sharing it with you. So let's get into today's content. So according to Google, manifestation is an event, action, or object that clearly shows or embodies something, especially a theory or an abstract idea. So most people, when they think of manifestation, they think of law of attraction, especially after that famous movie, The Secret. Well, law of attraction is a big piece of the puzzle. It's only one piece of the puzzle. Law of attraction is actually a secondary law. The law of vibration is one of the primary laws of the universe. Now, get this. Once we understand that nothing happens by luck and everything happens by law, we begin to fully understand manifestation. Let's talk for a second about law of vibration. We live in a vibrational universe. Everything, including ourselves, has a vibration. This is a really easy concept to grasp because even just looking under a microscope, you can literally see tiny particles moving around at a specific speed, right? So if you want to manifest or attract something into your life, you must be on the same vibrational frequency. It's a similar concept to a radio, for example. If you want to listen to hip hop music, you got to make sure you're on the hip hop channel and not the rock channel. Okay, basic. In essence, manifestation, or the act of manifesting a desire, is becoming a match to your desire. In most cases, this is easier said than done because we as humans have this marvelous little tool called the mind that is quite full of, let's just call it, programs and conditioning from our past experiences. We all have it, some more than others. But the good news is that we can change it. We'll get into this topic deeper on another video on this channel. Our mind is unique and the only one of its kind that we know of. Animals, for example, are completely at home in their environment. Humans, on the other hand, are completely lost in their environment. So we as humans get to create our environment. Everything we see in our physical 3D world right now started as a thought in someone's imagination. So without going too far down that rabbit hole for the time being, let's just say that in order to bring our desire to our 3D physical world, we must understand and believe in our subconscious mind that it already exists. It already exists and is just waiting for us to become a vibrational match to it. It is then our job to discover the version of ourselves who already has that desire in their physical 3D. This is not that fake it till you make it or acting as if. Both of those concepts affirm a separation between the now and the future self. The future self does not exist. All we have is right now. When we fully understand this concept and we become the person with our desires fulfilled, we have the ability to collapse time and quantum leap our life. Again, we'll get into that later on. But how? I hear you asking, everybody, but how? I know you're asking this question. The how doesn't matter. The how will come step by step by step in the perfect timing when we fully embody our desires and become a vibrational match to them. So many of us sabotage ourselves when we get wrapped up in the how. The how does not matter. It's not up to us. It's the embodiment of our desires that will bring us to them. Every step will be shown along the way, period. Okay. So if all things are possible, what do you desire? Get into alignment with that desire is how you're going to start bringing the first step to you, the experiences, the people, the opportunities, the money. It comes through all sorts of different ways, right? We cannot get wrapped up in the how. And the moment that we do get wrapped up in the how is the moment we self-sabotage. We get in our own way when we try to control the how. It's not up to us. So ask yourself, what are 5 habits that the version of me with my desires already in the physical 3D has? Start practicing and embodying these habits now. Start becoming this version of you now and get ready, because your entire world is about to shift and open up for you. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so this video can reach more people around the world who need it.